Zahra and you're watching Wheels Top 10, your weekly roundup of the hottest trends in the automobile industry. Another week has gone by in the world of automobiles, so let's quickly get on to it. Mahindra & Mahindra has rolled out a new variant of its XEV 9e electric SUV. The Mahindra XEV 9e is priced at an ex-showroom price of 29 lakh and 35,000 rupees. The variant will be available in satin black and satin white exterior. Mercedes-Benz has launched the V-Class in India at 1 crore and 40 lakh rupees, bringing back its flagship luxury MPV with refreshed styling, added features, petrol and diesel options and local assembly in Pune. Renault has shared a glimpse of its much-awaited concept vehicle, the Bridger, with initial teaser images suggesting a tough compact SUV. Set for a full reveal soon, this sub-4 meter design seems to present a blend of rugged appeal with everyday practicality. Yazdi has expanded its roadster lineup with a striking new special edition, the Red Wolf. This chrome-heavy roadster Red Wolf motorcycle blends the nostalgia of the 1970s. It comes at an ex-showroom price of 2,09,950 rupees. Yamaha Motor India has expanded the color palette of its Yamaha XSR 155 motorcycle, introducing a metallic black shade at an ex-showroom price of 1,58,980 rupees. The update seems to target riders looking for a more understated yet premium visual appeal in the modern retro motorcycle segment. Is Ducati planning to expand its India portfolio with a Desmo 450MX? This model? Yes. A motocross bike is set to mark the Italian high-performance motorcycle maker's foray into the off-road motocross segment in the market. The brand recently released a teaser image on social media. Volvo has just dropped its advanced road train solution with high-efficiency features in India, featuring the FM420 model optimized for long-haul transportation. It is powered by a 13-liter engine delivering 420 horsepower and 2100 Nm of torque. Two of these road trains will be able to do the work of 3 conventional tractor trailers, leading to reduced traffic and lower emissions. VinFast, part of Vietnam's Vingroup, has reorganized its global vehicle portfolio in 3 distinct brand lines. As a part of its premium expansion strategy, it has unveiled 2 new ultra-luxury flagships, the VinFast Lac Hong 800S and the VinFast Lac Hong 900S. India just had its strongest February ever in terms of automotive sales. Data from industry body FADA shows that total registration in the domestic auto retail market surged almost 26% to more than 20,09,000 units during the month. Stunning, isn't it? And the Ministry of Electronics and IT has rolled out an indigenous 30 kilowatt wide-band gap-based integrated drive system for EVs. Developed by CDAC, IIT Madras, the Lucas TVS under the National Mission on Power Electronics Technology. The compact powertrain is ideal for compact electric cars and fleet mobility platforms. Well, that's it for this week. See you next time on Wheels Top 10.